safe.
Mission finished. Mission passed. Yeah, we survived. Ooh. Opa.
What's up, guys? We are about to go to a very special place today. We are in Ras Al Khaimah in the UAE, which is one of the other Emirates here, and we came here to check out the places, came to check out the mountains. Yesterday we spent a beautiful time in the mountains, because today we're gonna go to a very special place, and you're gonna see and check it out later where we're going. I've been just chilling out there yesterday and this morning. Kind of sofa bed thing. Check it out today. Yeah. Guys, that's when you know you are in the UAE. A pink G-Class roof.
It has sparkles.
It has even sparkles. He only does high five with you or with other people too?
Like this, you can do.
High five?
What high five?
How old is he? 2 years? Just one. Yeah.
What like this? What's that?
So how old did you say?
2 years.
2 years.
Oh, I'm glad this was up, baby. Wait.
Gonna give Big Mama a banana. What's up, G? That's good.
Bei dir?
Oh, that's it. Huge, Alter.
Ich ob du danach noch ein Lambo willst.
Crazy, let's get it, guys. Nur so haben wir es da. Also, Art und Zeit oder nicht.
Ja, der schon auf Arsch. Ich glaube, der ist so laut.
Hey, I'm sorry, bro. I'm checking the car. I've just examined it for a few minutes. Don't do this. Aber krass, zweimal Gas geben, zack, genau, also. Noch eine Effekte, so mal so eine komplette
Yo, how's it going? How you doing? How good? So we just met up back in Dubai.
Finally back in Dubai.
Yeah, it's gonna be a very good week. Gonna be filming a lot of good stuff. And what you got over there? What's the tank?
Another tank. No, I have it like since 2 weeks because I'm
2 weeks.
I keep renewing the rent
You like it?
because
Huh?
it's so convenient to have a car, bro.
Yeah. You used to work with Obama, you're saying?
Oh, he was working for Obama and he was his second minister for communication, bro. Like I show you.
So basically, he interviewed a lot of interesting people, and now he's interviewing you.
He
Also.
is strategist, American television personality, and president and founder of Now Strategic LLC. He's the former deputy national press secretary of Obama.
Good, huh?
Special lighter, huh?
Very good. What is this?
It's a lighter,
What lighter?
a crazy lighter.
Crazy lighter? You like it? Good?
Wow, yeah, good, very good.
Two
Very
flames.
good, the light.
Very.
Guy asked him how much this lighter, and he answers too much.
Good?
We have a nice Range Rover over here, which is Miguel's, and
Not yet.
he's driving around
Just
Dubai.
renting to test it out.
Yeah. Yeah, well, it looks good.
Yeah, it's a sick car for Dubai, bro. You can drive everywhere, enough space. It's fucking loud. 600 horsepower, really.
All right, it was good to see you.
tomorrow.
Yeah, we see each other. Yo guys, so the current update is that we are back in Dubai. It's packed. The weather is good. And you might ask the question, what are we gonna do this week over here in Dubai? So basically we are gonna create some content, film, edit, and then prepare to go to Australia, since we are gonna be going to Australia in after a week for 3 weeks in Sydney, in Brisbane and Melbourne. And it's gonna be absolutely sick. So that's the current life update. Besides that, Dubai is feeling absolutely amazing. Daniel is also doing very well. And just check this out for a moment also. The city never sleeps.
No, bro. I was trading and waiting. Trading and I eat something. Kreatinsky in.
What did you trade?
Bitcoin, currently 1.3k in profits. Overall, last 24 hours, 1.6k profits.
Wait, what trade? What trade? What's this trade?
Ferrari weekend car.
They're not supposed to be driving around in these tight streets. So in your opinion, Range Rover is a good car?
Sick car, bro. When it comes to SUVs, I think the Range Rover Sport, SVR, and the Urus are the best ones. The Range Rover is just like more classic, you know. The Urus obviously is very flexy. Yeah, bro. Seems like it, huh? What's up, G's? So we are on the way to meet Martim Rodrigo, two of the Portuguese, leaders, business partners. We're gonna go to 5 Pound First, the beach club, which is pretty sick, pretty nice location. Just gonna have some good food, some nice talks and fun. And then later we're coming back to get dressed and ready, shower, go to Top Golf for a nice golf session, and obviously business talks and just connecting. They're from Portugal. They come here frequently to the UAE, and we have like a kind of little bit of a ritual every time they come here. We just get together for a day, have some fun, content, pictures, go together somewhere. I mean, I've been here now for 4 weeks since we came back from big traveling, heavy traveling, and haven't been to any place besides home or Kana Cafe to work and hustle. So now we are going there and just enjoying a little bit before we go to Australia, huh? And yeah, obviously, again, it's always important to meet your business partners, to forge the connection and reconnect, talk about businesses. And yeah, they are both like very strong traders in the market. So we're talking about the trading business mainly, and then combining everything: business, fun, lifestyle, vlogs, videos. That's what it is. Maybe it just looks small because we are in a fucking big car too, bro.
Yeah.
So it's original. It's just we have a bigger car. Now it looks small because we're in a fat ass car.
Yeah.
Range Rover Sport is a big ass car.
When me and the missus be going on dates, she's holding a dipper, I'm holding a plate. Just see some pics, maybe knowing the main, so I flown up my nigga and told him the plate. Tell her thank girl, you can me Sam, can you ain't my nigga?
So you got some good profits on the Bitcoin trade.
On the trading accounts, Forex, yes, the other one is still running.
Yeah.
But we are on zero risk, so. This car has the M5 engine. It's the same engine as the M5, BMW M5. So you can put a lot of horsepower on this. Like you can add a lot, you can tune it until 1,000 or more.
Yeah.
Martin has the M5, the same one.
Yeah.
He pushed it up to 1.1.
Wow.
Stage 3, 1.1.
Crazy.
Faster than a Lamborghini SVG, a fucking BMW and M5, bro. He completely took this car to another level for 35,000 euros extra.
Just modifying the engine,
Yeah,
basically.
because if you push so much horsepower, you need to modify the whole car. You need to you have to have a stronger gearbox, stronger clutch, stronger the turbos. You need to change the turbos.
Fuck, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah. So that's the same engine.
Yeah, but at winter time, I guess when it's snow, there's no driving around. I guess.
Good thing is he has another M5, right? So he takes the other one because he has two ones: the smaller one, like the newest one, and the version before that.
Yeah.
The version before has 800. This one has 1.1.
também levanta-te.
Nunca esperei por comissão, nunca havia tipo difference, nunca havia nada. Estás a ver? Por isso eu comecei confio bem nele, eu não conheço ninguém.
E eles conseguem ver porque cada conta faz trading. Quando é para...
E ali havia a Anitta e eu fomos visitar um bebê chimpanzee. Tipo um chimpanzee verdadeiro, tipo dava festinhas. Está com frio?
So we are at 5 Palm and we came here.
5 Palm. So we have 5 Palm Beach guys with the G's. Just like enjoying time, drinking some coconuts, talking business, and now we're going to the beach. Let's get it.
And they did not let me in with my camera, so I'm recording on the phone. What?
I don't like this
What do you don't like?
beach, bro. It smells like fish, and it's for brokies. Only people that have time do that. I don't have time to build an empire.
So we went out on an adventure to inspect the beach of 5 Palm. Currently, it looks pretty decent. The weather obviously is amazing. The view, not too bad. Our friends got lost.
Wenn sie das nicht hat, dann. And Anita and his girlfriend, they went like dancing.
Yeah.
Top.
Love, yeah.
Like they have so short like clothes on and shit, bro. Then they dance
And that's the same.
it's gonna be like the Miami of Dubai, Mar beachfront. They're gonna make it like Miami, like the beach life.
Holy. Yo, the water is crazy hot. It's so warm. Finished with 5 Palm. Finished. Mission finished. Mission passed. Yeah, we survived. Ooh. Opa.